Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Grumpy Frog. A moral story: you must appreciate everyone's success. Many animals lived together on a farm. One day, when all the animals were taking a nap, a duck began quacking as she was happy. She had laid an egg and wanted to share her joy with everyone. A grumpy frog next to the pond complained, "Why is this duck so loud and noisy?" He could not take the noise any longer and went straight to the duck. "Mrs. Duck, can you please be quiet?" he said. "You are disturbing my afternoon nap." The duck looked at him and replied, "I never say anything to you when you croak at night. And I am happy today as I just laid an egg. Why would you ruin my happiness?" All the animals began to look angrily at the frog. Everyone else was happy for the duck. The frog decided to join the celebration and congratulated the duck.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.